Want a gleaming RV finish that lasts through every adventure? Imagine arriving at camp with showroom shine and protected surfaces. No more dull gel coat, faded paint, or road grime buildup. One-step washes and waxes save time while delivering brilliant gloss. Camco Pro Strength concentrates carnauba wax for hand-polished shine. Dilutes up to 64.1, economical for long trips. Premium red jug formula seals, paint with built-in UV protection. Meguiar's removes light oxidation, restores gloss and color quickly. Thetford's Pro Strength tackles heavy soils, leaves protective shine. Bright pink gel gloss concentrates for heavy-duty, biodegradable, pH-balanced cleaning. 303 wash and seal foams, gently, safe on aluminum and fiberglass. Star Bright Polish delivers PTFE polymer protection and deep gloss. Star Bright Wash concentrates remove grime, prep surfaces for waxing. Aero Cosmetics Kit streamlines safe, scratch-free washing and detailing. Microfiber towels and foam pads reduce swirl and preserve finish. 3-in-1. Aerosols maintain slide-outs and window tracks with silicone lube. All products provide UV defense, repel dirt, resist road debris. Fast, streak-free application makes routine maintenance simple and quick. Formulations balance cleaning power with gentle care for surfaces. Concentrates stretch farther, cost-efficient for seasonal reconditioning. From dull to gleaming. Color pops, gloss returns instantly. Protective wax seals reduce oxidation and prolong exterior life. Perfect for owners, detailers, and service centers managing fleets. Save time between trips. Upkeep becomes faster and less laborious. Visible results matter. Customers notice showroom shine immediately. Choose concentrated gallons for frequent use, bottles for quick touch-ups. Upgrade your RV care routine for lasting protection and shine. Click the link in the description and find top-rated washes and waxes today. Protect every adventure.